In this video lesson, I will try to explain a topic that is called "Can I get rich by Forex trading with $100?" A short answer is yes. Is it possible, doable, and highly likely? No. It's not, because it's not very easy. First of all, I will explain to you what are the obstacles, why it's not, why it is possible, who can do that, and what are the ways how to do that. First of all, I need to explain to you on the left side, you have an article I have written on the Get No Trading website, where you can see all the details. I will cover also these details here in this video. Here will be the content. And on the right side, I have a chart with the gold against US dollar on the 1 minute time frame. It is a demo account with $8,000 as a trading account balance, just in case to show you an examples. Let's start with the topic. Is it $100 enough to get rich through time? How to trade Forex with $100? How to trade with patience? Get rich by Forex trading with trading system? How to trade and emotion stability? And get rich with proper risk management. These are the topics I will cover. I will try to explain as much as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Now, is it $100 enough to become rich? Well, on majority of the traders, it's not. It's not enough, because it's not possible to increase $100 easily to a certain amount that will allow you to open a larger lot sizes. What that means, let me explain to you. For example, if I have here $100 on my trading account and I need to trade that, first of all I will try to start with the smallest lot size, and that means 0.01. What is the lot size? Check other videos. But just to explain a little bit to you, it defines how much this price change, when it changes, how much it will be valued. If the number is higher, this change will be valued more. So if the value is the highest, this change on the price, you can see the price here on the right side, when it's changed, it will give me lots of money. I will explain that in the example. Let's, for example, use the smallest one. Let's click sell. Here, let's open the smallest time frame. Here it is 1 minute time frame, and that means each candle here is 1 minute. You can see how the price change here, and here it is on the column where the profit is. You can see how this changed when the price changed. Currently I am in loss, minus 0.25. This is the smallest lot size that is possible. Now let's open with a higher lot size. For example, let's put 8 and click sell by the market. It says I do not have money, but let's say, for example, this one, sell by the market. Now here it is a lot size which is equal to 1. That is one standard lot. 0.01 is one micro lot, which is 100 times less than this one. Now you can see how this, let's put here into profit as a deposit currency, and this is the US dollars. Now you can see how the price changes and how it increases the loss or the profit. Now you can see here are 0.33 and here I have $13. It is all change. It is different almost by 100, because it is the same lot size. Change difference is 100. 100 it is the difference, 100 times. Now this is what is necessary to have on your trading account. Now if you have $100 as a starting account balance, you will not be able to open one lot which will give you a large amount of money per pip. And that means if you have $100, you would already have minus $20, 25, 29, and the broker will not allow you to open such large lot size, but it will allow you to open 0.01, where you will make 0.44 minus 0.43 and so on and so on. So these change will be by $1, $2, $3 of profit or loss. So imagine how many trades you will need to open with $100 as account balance to become rich. For example, to earn $200, $1,000, you would need lots of trades and profitable trades just to increase $100 to a certain amount. For example, $1,000 or $10,000. This is one of the obstacles why it's not very easy to become rich with $100. But there are traders, and there is small amount of traders that is possible, and some of them are using trading robots that can increase $100 as a starting account balance to any amount, $2,000 to $10,000. So it's not very easy. It is possible. I cannot say it is impossible, but it's possible. But is it possible? If you are an average trader, it's not possible to become rich with $100. It will be very, very hard, and it will take a long time. And you can see that trading Forex with $100 and become rich through time, it's not very easy. Now, how to trade Forex with $100 with patience? Now, $100 is not very good starting account balance. Why it's not? Let me show you. Being patient, that means when you open the trade, like in this example, I need to wait. I need to wait until the price moves in my direction. So if you are not patient, I'll take a look here how fast this changes. It's not very fast. You need to wait until the price goes down, because I have open sell order. You need to wait until the price goes down to make some amount of money. Let's say I put here a stop loss and take profit. Take a look here on the chart. Here is my stop loss and here is my take profit. Now take a look here. This will be take profit and I will earn $2.95. Very close to $3 just with this trade. So imagine how many minutes, hours I need to wait until the price goes down. If the price goes down immediately, it will take several minutes. But if the price goes up and then eventually turns down in my direction, it will need more time. I do not know how much time I will need to just earn $3. So imagine having $3 as a profit per trade. Will you be able to be patient to wait for a day or 2 days just earn $3? Most of the trades will not. Most of the trades will increase this lot size just to make more money per each trade. So for example, instead of $3, he will try to make $30 per the trade. But imagine this is the stop loss. On the opposite side, this would be instead of minus $2.57, he could lose $25, which will be around 25% of trading account, which will be not very good to lose on one trade. So being patient will not be possible on a small trading account. $100 is not very good starting point. So think about increasing that starting point at least $2,000 or $10,000, which will allow you to trade these trade, for example, to earn per trade instead of, for example, $2.95. If you increase from $100 to $1,000, it will be 10 times more. So it will be 29. If you have a trading account with $10,000, it would be 295. So 295 per trade would be nice, and I think you could be patient to wait until the price reaches take profit level. This means being patient. With $100, you will not be able to patient so easily. There are traders that are patient and they can be disciplined to follow the trading rules, but most of the traders, and me also, I would not be able to follow this trading system with such small amount of profit or loss. Now, next one, get rich with a trading strategy and trading system. A trading system is very important. That means you need to follow some rules and trading steps in order to open the trade. For example, will you open the trade right now when the price has reached this support level, where you will expect that the price will bounce back up with the take profit here and the stop loss just below this support level. This is the trading system that will tell you what are the steps, when to enter, when to exit with a profit, when to exit with a loss. This is something that is very important in trading to have, and that is trading system that will tell you what are certain steps and trading rules to follow. If you do not have, remember that you will lose everything that you have on your trading account. This is, I think it is the only goal, the only end result that will happen if you do not have a trading system. If you trade, you will eventually lose everything. That is for sure. I have lost so many accounts, so many amount of money without trading system in the past, because I did not know when to enter, when to exit, and when to exit with a loss or profit. This is very important. Make your own trading system, and that means if you do not know, search for a trading mentor, search on the forum for a certain strategy, and then test on the demo. When you test on the demo, try to see what are the results. make your own strategy based on that. So you are trading your trading system, which you have already tested. You have a profitable history, so you can verify that your trading system is working. This is very important. Do not trade blindly, because eventually you will lose everything you have. Then, how to trade Forex with $100 and emotion stability? Well, being emotion stable, it means not being greedy, not having a fear. And that means when you start making money, do not open more trades. For example, if I open this trade, I will put this one to 1, sell by the market. And when you start making money here, when you're in profit, do not open more trades just because you would like to earn more. No, being greedy, and that means being greedy. Just in this example, you can see instead of having $16 of profit, I have $32 of profit. Well, that's good. But what happens if the price goes against you? This loss will increase much more quickly than if you have only one trade open. So this is a greed. Do not be greedy, because if you have a trading system, follow it and have a proper risk management, which is the next topic. You can see that here. The risk management tells you what is stop loss on each trade and how many trades that you can open at the same time. Is it one trade, or is it 2, 3, 4 trades at the same time? But eventually, when you add up all the stop losses, which means how many risks per each trade, it should not go above 1% of your trading account balance. So if you have $10,000 as account balance, 1% of loss would be $100. So remember, having small account, especially with $100, it's not very easy to trade. So it will require from you to have proper risk management, proper trading system. Then you will have need to be emotionally stable, not be greedy. Do not fear when to open the trade. Follow your trading rules. Then have patience and be disciplined to follow your trading system. That will help you to become profitable in the long run. But having $100, it's possible to trade, but this small profit that I have shown you, $1, $2, $3, will eventually add up in time. And if you are successful, consistent, disciplined, patient, with proper risk management and trading system, will increase your trading account balance eventually to a higher amount, where you will be able to open more trades with higher lot size, which means higher value of 1 pip. I hope this has helped to understand, can you get rich by Forex trading with $100? It's possible, it's doable, it will take a long time, but most of the trades do not succeed because of being impatient and not disciplined, not having proper trading system. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, ask anything, I will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.